Attachment styles refer to the way people emotionally connect and form relationships with others. It is shaped by our childhood experience and the relationship we have with our caregivers. When the child's emotional needs are not constantly met, they may develop an insecure attachment style. This can affect how they trust others, express emotions, and build relationships, often without realizing why. And that's why I created this interactive installation to raise awareness about attachment styles through a series of abstract motion graphics. The installation features 3 motion graphics, each representing a different insecure attachment styles. Users interact by inserting a 3D printed cassette tape into the cassette player, and each cassette triggers a different abstract visual journey, allowing users to experience and interpret the emotions and behavior behind the attachment style. After the motion graphic has finished playing, users can remove the cassette tape and replace it with another one. To create a more immersive experience, I use different color palette and sound effects for each motion graphic, helping users better understand the emotions associated with each attachment style. After all 3 motion graphics has been viewed, a hidden ending is unlocked. It introduces secure attachment, showing that although our attachment styles are influenced by our past, they can become more secure through self-awareness and healthy relationships. I modeled the cassette tape and cassette players in Blender, 3D printed them, and integrate Makey so that inserting each cassette triggers its corresponding motion graphic. Ultimately, this project encouraged people to better understand attachment styles and become more aware of how they influence our relationships, emotions, and communication.